Jorge Garcia is an American actor and comedian. He first came to public attention with his performance as Hector Lopez on the television show Becker, but is probably best known for his portrayal of Hugo Hurley Reyes in the television series Lost from 2004 to 2010. He starred in the Fox television series Alcatraz and played a minor character on ABC's Once Upon a Time. He starred as Jerry Ortega on Hawaii 5-0 and can be seen in the Netflix original movie The Ridiculous Six. Garcia also appeared on the cover of Weezer's 2010 album Hurley in a close-up shot from a photo he took with vocalist Rivers Cuomo. Garcia was born in Omaha, Nebraska. His mother, Dora Mesa, is a Cuban-born professor, and his father, Humberto Garcia, is a Chilean-born doctor. He grew up in San Juan Capistrano in Orange County, California, and went to San Clemente High School. He wrestled in high school, where he was given the nickname Baby-Faced Killer. As a senior, he was selected by the faculty as Triton of the Year, the highest award given to a graduating senior. Garcia graduated from the University of California, Los Angeles in 1995 as a communication studies major. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.